of these is watch the. Now, this progressive should go to yellow. And I want you to unplug that. You're going to see that it comes back to the right number. Hey, Greg, check this out for a sec. Now, the number skips. I'm staying at 8.
Hold on.
Okay. It goes to 1, unfortunately, when it does this. But when you plug it back in, it goes back to 8.
I didn't know that was 7.
It did go to 7. I had to run the Costco going to 8 to 7 by the time we did it.
Applebaum warming up.
Yeah.
And we brought Ed Timlin in. Now, Applebaum had warmed up before that happened, you know? He was warming the whole first half of the night. Timlin came in, let up the hip. I think it was a stolen base. Oh no, it was a sacrifice and then a stolen base. That's what it was. After the hit. And then it was Ichiro. So they just walked Ichiro.
Yeah.
But by then they had 2 outs. So freaking, you figure, all right, they're going to bring